Hi everyone, it's Claire from the Fun Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to stir fry beef with my simple and quick recipe. I hope you guys will like it. Let's start cooking. Before we're cutting up the beef, we will wash it first. Cutting this into half first, and I am going to slice it into pieces. And the way we do, you see all this line, we don't cut it straight like this, we will cut opposite. We slide the opposite line like this. So we put everything into a bowl, and then now we start marinate. So anytime when you marinate beef, you must add oil. When you first add the oil, your beef later will be tender. If you don't add oil, the beef later on, after cook, will be really dry. So you always want to add oil. I know the beef is still already oily, already with oil, but you still need to add oil on your beef. Right now it's already done mixing, so we can put on the side. That sits for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're preparing all the green onion and the ginger. For the ginger, we will slice it. Let's start turning up the fire. We will add some oil first, and let the wok heat up a little bit, and then we put in the ginger. So let's fry the ginger a little longer, just because we want to get the flavor out. So I'm going to put all this beef in now. Make sure we spread open. Otherwise, some area will not cook and some will be overcooked. So make sure we spread them open evenly. Keep on turning the uncooked part. Put them upside down so that you can make sure every single piece are cooked. So don't overcook these. Once you overcook this, it will be too hard at the end. So now we're done. Turn off the fire. So this is the final result of the dish. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.